Where is the Deathly Hallows? Is that the forest?
No.
Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And we are back doing another dorm room makeover.
Today we're here with Kayley. She is a second year history student.
She hopes to be a lawyer one day, and she also loves Harry Potter.
Amazing. We already spoke to her. We got a gist of what she needs in the space, but it's time to kick her out.
So we can get on with this makeover.
We will see you later with the new room. Have a good day at class.
Bye.
Bye. Well, this is a dorm room. It's a dorm room.
It's a dorm room. So, like she said, she loves Harry Potter, which I'm very excited about. I love a good Harry Potter.
Becky is our resident Harry Potter fan. I mean, I've seen some of the movies, but I enjoy them, but I'm going to leave this to you.
This is going to be fun to do a room inspired by it. And on top of that, she mentioned to us that she's a Slytherin, which is great because her curtains are already green. Hello. But on top of that, we're going to make this place even greener, more Slytherin-esque. And in Harry Potter, they live in like these like gorgeous kind of castle-esque dorm rooms. They all have these like beautiful canopy beds.
Okay.
So it'd be cool to kind of do a faux canopy with this above the beds.
We have these little clothes pegs that have sticky backs, and this should work.
I think so. It's easier than like doing hooks and worrying about like putting holes in this.
Yeah.
This is the dorm way.
Dorm safe.
Oh. Wow. This looks unreal already.
That really changed the space a lot more, and it was like, that took us 5 minutes.
I thought this would be one of the hardest things we were gonna do in this room, and it was like, no problem.
Woohoo! Okay, so now we have some art to go in this corner.
If you guys remember this triangle light up wall sconce that we DIY'd a while ago, we had the thought that it's the perfect shape to be a Deathly Hallows inspired wall lamp.
Where is the Deathly Hallows? Is that the forest?
No. Basically, it's like a magical symbol for the ultimate, like, powerful wizard.
Fair enough. And we have the perfectly shaped.
I know, I'm dead at how perfect this is for it. So we can paint on that guy. So we already pre-printed some classic Harry Potter quotes because it's like one of the most quotable book series of all times on some white paper. But we were thinking it'd be cool to look like it was like pages ripped out of a book. So we can kind of rip the one edge and distress it a little bit and then put that on the wall.
Like it's blown.
All right, let's get to DIYing these.
The Deathly Hallows. I assume you're all familiar with the tale of the three brothers. Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Harry, figure your shit out.
Oh my god, it's so magical.
That looks so good. It looks
Harry Potter time.
It looks so good in here. Okay, we're gonna add some blankets, pillows. It's gonna look sick. But I have a runner for this.
Nice.
And I have a sweet runner hack that I can't wait to share with y'all. All right, so we have our really long runner here. It's the perfect vintage Slytherin green. And if you guys have seen carpets like this, they look like the hand-woven one, but they're not. They're like a little bit cheaper, more affordable, but we wanna make it look like it's hand-woven, but it's just missing a little bit of fringe because hand-woven ones always have the fringe on the end that would have been a part of the loom, I think. I'm just making this up, but I think that makes sense. So I actually bought this fringe from the fabric store. I just got a couple yards of it, and I'm just going to go ahead and hot glue it to my carpet, and it's gonna look like it was hand woven.
Okay, and then we also whipped up this super cute DIY flag, which is very on color scheme. This is so easy. All you need is a wooden dowel and any sort of fabric, and you just wrap it around with a piece of string and it can be hung up on the wall. And we've been using the removable sticky hooks for pretty much everything in all of these dorms because They're amazing, they're dorm safe, and there's so many kinds, so they hold pretty much everything you could need. So now that this area is done, we're gonna work on the desk and styling all of that. We have this gorgeous floor lamp that's gonna bring some light to this back corner. We're gonna do some vintage thrifted trays and stuff that's an old silver. It really goes with the vibe of the room. We have a bunch of LED electric candles that really also give it a very Harry Potter vibe while still being dorm safe. And we're adding additional storage.
Okay, last step.
She has this coolest window seat that I've ever seen in any dorm ever. I want one now.
I didn't know I wanted a window seat until this.
I know. I feel like I'm in like a Disney fairy tale and I'm just like waiting for my prince to come.
Wrong movie reference, but okay. Speaking of movie reference, this we found at the thrift store. We found the cage.
And then we found faux vines, so we assembled, very DIY process. Yeah, there might be some hooks already in the ceiling that we did not put ourselves.
No, but we are gonna make use of those holes.
But also a sticky hook would work in this situation. But we're gonna hang this up on there, and then some pillows and all that good stuff, and then the reading nook is almost complete.
Love.
Wow.
Let's do like a moment. Okay, moment's over. Okay, and one of our last big projects in this room is a side table because she doesn't have one, and I think that she should have one. So we decided to go very Harry Potter on this. We picked up some vintage luggage and suitcases. We built a little stand, and we're gonna assemble them all to be her side table.
Okay, I pictured this being really cute in my head, but now seeing it together, it's the cutest thing. I'm obsessed.
And thrift store.
Love.
Final touch time. Do 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 do. Do do do.
This came together so well. Harry Potter goals, but still like actual dorm.
I think I'm a Harry Potter fan.
Going home to watch some movies.
Gonna go home and watch some Harry Potter.
I think it's time to bring her in.
Yes, okay.
Kaylee, are you ready?
Open your eyes in your new bedroom in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
You like it?
That is wow! This is amazing! So we went with the Slytherin Harry Potter theme and kind of ran with it because we had a lot of fun.
We gave you a little bit more lighting because it can get dark in here.
We tried to do a canopy-inspired bed a la the dorm rooms in Hogwarts.
Wow. And this new window seat. I know you enjoy looking out the window, but I think you'll like it a little bit more now. It might be a little bit more comfortable.
Yeah, just a bit, eh? Wow.
The plant's not real, so you don't have to worry about it dying.
I was slightly concerned. Thank you so much.
Thank you for letting us take over your space for a
thank you
day.
so much.